Hey fellow garden gnomes, welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany. When I ordered seeds earlier this year, I wasn't able to get everything that I wanted to get, and so I made another order at another seed house, and those came in, as well as my seed potatoes. So I'll turn you around and I'll show you what I got. Okay, I'll start with the seeds. Might be a little tricky to do one-handed, but Harris model parsnips, Cantonais red core carrots, cabbage, those need to go in pretty much immediately. Brussels sprouts, same thing. Dark red beets, now all the root vegetables can wait until actually next month really. A giant dahlia zinnia mix. I haven't always planted a lot of flowers in my garden. I've mostly focused on veggies, but I like the idea of having some more flowers. These are golden beets. Having some more flowers like interspersed among the vegetable plants, partly because they attract pollinators and partly because they just look nice and it's nice to be around them. So these are a poppy. These are a fennel, well, specifically a bulbing fennel, so not just like herb fennel. I looked back, and so it does say that these poppy seeds are bonus seeds, which makes sense because I was like, wait a minute, I didn't think, like I thought I had gotten poppies, but I didn't remember that specific variety. Laurentian rutabaga, snow peas, and these are green snow peas. When I made my first order, they only had yellow snow peas, and so I got them, but I just decided that I wanted to get green snow peas as well. And then I've got some straw flowers, so I'm really looking forward to being able to have some nice bouquets. A dianthus flower, a blue moon aster, and then tiger's eye dry beans. Now I'll double check if I have anything else. No, I don't have anything else. So yeah, those are my seeds. Now I'll do my potatoes. These are called Alta Blush, and I just got 4 potatoes, so you can get them in different sizes. And so I believe I got 2 foursomes, which are just 4 potatoes, and then I think I got 2 1-kilogram bags. This is my other foursome, called Excellency. Here's one of my 1-kilogram bags called Road Ear Stelling. And then the last one is Rocco. Now, if you saw my potato harvest video from last year, you'll know that I ended the video with saying what varieties I wanted to get again. Unfortunately, I was not able to get those varieties, any of those varieties again, because they were sold out. I get mine from Eagle Creek Farms, which is Alberta? Yeah, Alberta. And they all they do is potatoes, so they have so many interesting varieties. But from year to year, you know, they just sometimes they have more of one variety, less of another variety. Sometimes they don't have any of a variety at all, and that's what happened with the varieties, the 2 or 3 varieties that I wanted after last year's harvest. So I went ahead and opened the bags because they're going to sit in my kitchen for a couple weeks, so that these sprouts that they already have, can get a little bit bigger before I plant them at the end of April. In past years, I've tended to wait almost to the end of May to plant these, which is closer to my last frost date. But the thing is, potatoes can actually be planted a couple weeks before the last frost date, and so I really paid attention to the Farmer's Almanac this year because I really want to maximize the amount of growing time that I have for, the different varieties. So, new seeds, my potatoes came in. That's really exciting. I'm definitely going to get some of those seeds planted. I believe the fennel and the cabbage, possibly the flowers. I might be planting the flowers this weekend too. And if I don't do a YouTube video about that, then I'll put photos on my Instagram, which I've put in the description. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more of this type of content, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any friends who would enjoy this type of content as well, please hit that share button. Until next time, happy gardening.